everyone. Welcome to the Learn English Channel podcast. My name is Jenny, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Carlos. Thank you for joining us today. This podcast is made especially for you, international students, beginners, and anyone who wants to learn English in a simple and fun way.
Exactly. Here, you'll learn English by listening, repeating, and enjoying real conversations.
And don't worry, we keep everything easy, friendly, and clear. You can relax, have fun, and learn step by step.
So stay with us until the end. We promise you'll learn new words, new phrases, and feel more confident speaking English.
Get ready, take a deep breath, smile, and let's learn English together.
Let's start the episode.
Today's topic is very useful for daily life. English conversation at the supermarket.
Yes, today you will learn how to talk in English when you go shopping for food.
Relax, listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and enjoy learning English.
Part 1. Basic Supermarket Vocabulary. Please repeat after me. Supermarket. Store. Shopping cart. Basket. Aisle. Shelf. Cashier. Checkout. Line. Bag. Receipt. Price. Discount.
Great! Now a few explanations. Aisle, the long paths inside the supermarket. Shelf, where products are. Cashier, the person who takes your payment. Receipt, the paper with your purchase details.
Part 2. Food vocabulary. Very easy. Now, let's learn food words you see every day. Fruit, vegetables, bread, milk, eggs, cheese, rice, pasta, chicken, beef, fish, water, juice.
Repeat slowly. Fruit. Vegetables. Bread. Milk. Excellent.
Part 3. Jenny goes to the supermarket. Story.
Can you tell us about your supermarket routine?
Sure. Here is a simple story. I go to the supermarket on Saturday. I take a shopping cart. First, I go to the fruit aisle. I buy apples and bananas. Then I go to the bread section. I buy bread and milk. After that, I buy eggs and cheese. Finally, I go to the checkout and pay.
Very clear and simple.
Part 4. Asking for help in the supermarket. Sometimes you need help. Here are easy questions. Excuse me, where is the milk? Can you help me? Where can I find rice? How much is this?
And the worker can answer, it's in aisle 5. It's over there. It's on the shelf.
Part 5. Role play, asking for products. Dialogue 1. Asking for help. Excuse me, where is the bread?
The bread is in aisle 3.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Part 6. Talking about prices.
Let's talk about prices. How much is this? It's $2. That's cheap. That's expensive. Is there a discount?
Repeat after me. Cheap. Expensive. Discount. Part 7. At the checkout. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Do you want a bag?
Yes, please.
That's $20.
Here you are.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. Part 8. Useful sentences you can copy. I'm just looking. I need help. I'm looking for eggs. I'd like a bag, please. I'd like to pay by card. I'd like to pay in cash.
These sentences work in any supermarket.
Part 9. Shopping list practice. Let's make a shopping list together. Apples, bananas, bread, milk, eggs, chicken, rice.
Say them with us.
Part 10. Long listening practice. Story. Carlos goes shopping.
I go to the supermarket after work. I take a basket. I buy vegetables and fruit. I buy rice and chicken. I check the prices. I go to the cashier. I pay by card. I take my bags and go home.
Very good and very real. Part 11. Common questions and answers. What do you need? I need milk. Do you want a bag? Yes, please. Cash or card? Card, please.
Part 12. Listen and repeat. Pronunciation. Supermarket. Shopping cart. Cashier. Receipt. Price. Bag.
Great job. Part 13. Practice for you.
Now answer these questions. What do you buy at the supermarket? Do you use a cart or a basket? Do you pay by card or cash?
Say your answers out loud. Carlos, congratulations! You finished episode 6 of the Learn English Channel podcast. Now you can speak English at the supermarket with confidence.
Thank you for listening and learning with us.
See you next time. Bye-bye.